All right.
I drove it up there and I said, oh, fuck no.
This is the challenge for the day.
I guess I'm not going to take it. Al and I walked halfway, not even halfway up it, maybe like a quarter of the way up.
I was going to say, you couldn't even walk up that.
Climb, yeah.
You can do it. You can do it.
You shut the fuck up.
No one tells you what to do. You can do it.
Stay in the car like a bitch.
Well, the buggies have gone to, must be down drinking now.
Yep.
It's done for the day.
I'm going to have one more beer and then I got to chill because I got to pick up Sherelle.
Yeah. Well, I had my fun. I'll come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Back early.
Yeah, and yeah, exactly. Then there's tomorrow, yeah. We'll be down there early. We'll be back down here in time for breakfast. Is that the camp? That's the site, right? Yeah.
Yeah, right down there. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to get ahead of you so when you come back I can film you. Look at you. Look, your balls are hanging.
Jesus Christ.
Nice. All right. What do you need? I got shit back at the, I got shit on the truck.
It's just a plastic clip.
Yeah.
Something maybe, you know, I may have just get it with a screwdriver. I do have a screwdriver.
I have stuff back at the truck. Just ride it like that. You're not going to just yank it.
Oh, great.
So much for that. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
it's going really well.
Yeah, it's one of those. I forget what they call them. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Come on, we'll take care of it back at the. Oh, there you go. That'll do
We'll
it.
make it a complete day, and I mean a trail repair.
Yeah. Trail apparel.